One of the most significant changes is a decline in estrogen levels, which is a natural part of menopause. Estrogen plays a vital role in maintaining vaginal health, and as its production decreases, it can lead to several noticeable changes. For one, it affects vaginal lubrication, making things feel drier than usual. Estrogen also contributes to the elasticity of vaginal tissues, so a decline can lead to thinning and inflammation. These hormonal shifts can also impact the pH balance of the vagina, making it more susceptible to infections. Host: That's so interesting, doctor. So it seems like hormones are at the root of many of these changes. But is it all about hormones, or do lifestyle factors come into play as well? Absolutely. Hormones play a significant role, but lifestyle choices and self-care practices are just as important in maintaining optimal vaginal health. Great question. First and foremost, hydration is key. Staying well hydrated helps maintain moisture in all our mucous membranes, including the vagina. Diet plays a role as well. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats can support vaginal health. In particular, foods high in omega-3 fatty acids, probiotics, and phytoestrogens can be beneficial. Omega-3s have anti-inflammatory properties. Probiotics support a healthy vaginal microbiome, and phytoestrogens can mimic the effects of estrogen in the body. Another important tip is to use gentle, pH-balanced cleansers in the vaginal area. Harsh soaps and douching can disrupt the natural vaginal flora, which acts as a protective barrier. Host: Those are some great tips, doctor. It's good to know that simple changes can make a big difference. Absolutely. Small steps can lead to significant improvements in vaginal health. Thankfully, there are many effective treatments and solutions available. Over-the-counter vaginal moisturizers and lubricants are a great first line of defense against dryness. For more persistent dryness or discomfort, medical treatments like low-dose vaginal estrogen therapy can be very effective. This can come in the form of creams, tablets, or rings that are inserted into the vagina, delivering estrogen directly to the tissues. In addition to these options, some women find relief with natural supplements like probiotics and omega-3s, which can support overall vaginal health. It's important to remember that every woman is different, so finding the right treatment plan often involves some trial and error and open communication with your healthcare provider. Host: That's reassuring to know, doctor. It's good to have options.